Hello friends, welcome to my channel Homeschool Fun. Friend Lebowitz have said that think before you speak and read before you think. Reading, the most essential, the most needed, the most vital part of our routine. But we are going away from it. We are hardly reading now. We are hardly readers now. Very few people read.
Reading is the best habit to develop. We should develop it. Make efforts to develop it. It's the best habit and no side effects. Reading improves our vocabulary, thinking skills, concentration, emotional intelligence, social perception. It develops, enriches our thoughts, gives us knowledge, and keeps our mind active. But why are we not making the optimum use of our libraries? They are now the rare places where we would like to visit. Everyone knows reading are like building blocks. It keeps our mind active. It opens up the mind to a world of imagination and creative thinking. Walt Disney has said there is more treasure in books than in all the pirates' loot. A book is a magical gift you can open again and again and again. Your concentration and sharpness increases with reading. And that's why, from infancy, we should try to cultivate this skill in our child. Emily said that children are made readers in the laps of their parents. Start reading to them at a very early age, and then, after, read yourself too to set an example for your children. They are great imitators. Yes, and it's important for your enrichment too. It's never too late to begin. As yoga and music calms us down, so as reading does. It lowers the stress level and regulates your heart rate. Teach this much valuable skill to your kids. Just like any other muscle, your brain also needs to exercise to keep it strong and healthy. And so the phrase goes that use it or lose it. So from vocalization to visualization, brain does many processes simultaneously while we are reading. So reading is essential for those who want to rise above the ordinary. Compulsion of education and the lack of variation in the curriculum has made to lose interest in reading. I would like to quote J.K. Rowling, who stated that if you don't like to read, you haven't yet found the right book. So today a reader, tomorrow a leader. Think, just think. Should you find yourself in any dire situation, remember, although you may lose everything, your job, your status, your home, your possession, your wealth, or even if you lose your health, but knowledge, it can never be taken from you. So, start reading.
Brings us unknown friends. Jim Rohn has rightly said, those who want to rise above the ordinary should start reading. So I hope you start reading.
And grab a book in your free time.
In the next episode, I will tell you about how we read, what we read, and what are books we enjoy for ourselves. So, do join in next week. Until then, see you, and please give me a like, share, subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.